Welcome back. This is going to be my first Titan video for 2021, and I'm trying out a few new things: new camera, new microphone, and we're going to install a Ronin bullet antenna today. Comes in a nice tube package, and I have tried a few different antennas from Amazon that look like this. This one came with a whole bunch of adapters, but none of them seem to fit. So I shelled out the big bucks. The Ronin's 40 US. I'll put a link in the description below where you can buy that antenna and help support my channel. So the Ronin is a nice looking antenna. It's nicely packaged. There's instructions, stickers inside, and you don't need much for tools for this. You may need some pliers to get that old OEM antenna off. Now here's a side-by-side of the Ronin compared to the Amazon antenna. The Ronin is bigger, and it doesn't come with any adapters. It comes with the right thread for your Titan. It also has thread locker inside to lock it on to prevent theft and prevent it from loosening up. So to get going here, just take your pliers, give a few turns on your antenna. Mine was stuck on pretty good. If you're like me, you don't really worry about scratching the old antenna. Mine was already faded. If you are, you can put a rag around it when you put your pliers on. Sometimes antennas will just come right off by your fingers. So give that antenna a few turns and then remove it by hand. Once that's off, just take your new one and it threads right on. I really like the look of this, and it seems like a quality piece. I'd recommend getting this one. So in my next video, I'm hoping to have my TSO off-road exhaust tip. It's supposed to be delivered in a couple of days. We'll get that on the Titan soon too. And I think this is an improvement in look over the stock. And side shots. So thanks for watching this video. Check out my other videos. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that jazz. Have a good one.